we have already discussed the 6 different forms where we can use logarithm to differentiate a function. Now the problems of form 1. Differentiate sin x to the power x into root sin x plus 1 plus x square whole to the power 1 by 2 plus x. So this is in the product of functions, product of many functions. Now we can differentiate it by taking logarithm. Let y is equal to sin x to the power x into root sin x, and this can be written as sin x to the power 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square to the power 1 by 2 plus x, which implies y is equal to sin x whole to the power, look at here, x to the power m into x to the power n is x to the power m plus n, means sin x to the power x plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square whole to the power 1 by 2 plus x. Now taking natural log on both sides, we get log y is equal to log sin x to the power x plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square to the power 1 by 2 plus x, which is equal to, this is log x into y. Log xy is equal to log x plus log y. This is log sin x to the power x plus 1 by 2 plus log 1 plus x square to the power 1 by 2 plus x, which is equal log x to the power m is equal to m log x, that means जो पावर है आगे कोएफिशिएंट हो जाएगा, that means this is x plus 1 by 2 into log sin x plus, here is power 1 by 2 plus x, now this is 1 by 2 plus x into log 1 plus x square. Now differentiating both sides, with respect to x, we get, this is derivative of log y is equal to derivative of x plus 1 by 2 into log sin x plus 1 by 2 plus d by dx of 1 by 2 plus x into log 1 by 2 plus x square, which implies derivative of log y is equal to 1 by y into dy by dx. Here is the product formula. Derivative first, derivative of x is 1 and half, derivative of half is 0. 1 x plus 1 by 2 का derivative 1 है. Derivative first into second is log sin x plus first x plus 1 by 2 into derivative of log sin x, log x का derivative 1 by x, log sin x का है 1 by sin x, according to chain rule, multiply derivative of sin x, this is cos x, plus here is also product formula, derivative of first 1 by 2 plus x का derivative 1 है, 1 in first का derivative 1 into second is log 1 plus x square, first का derivative into second plus first 1 by 2 plus x into derivative of second, this is log x, 1 by x means 1 by 1 plus x square into derivative 1 plus x square, 1 का derivative 0 है and x square का derivative 2x, which implies dy by dx. Now look at here, y divide हुआ था, multiply कर देंगे, y whole into, this is log sin x plus x plus 1 by 2 into cos x by sin x is cot x, plus this is log 1 plus x square plus this is 1 by 2 plus x whole into 2x by 1 plus x square. So putting the value of y, we get y is equal to sin x to the power, sin x whole to the power x plus half into this is 1 plus x square whole to the power half plus x into we get here log sin x plus x plus 1 by 2 into cot x plus log 1 plus x square plus 1 by 2 plus x into 2x by 1 plus x square and each answer. To differentiate x to the power sin x with respect to x, look at here, this is also function to the power function. So in order to differentiate when it is expressed in the form of a function to the function, we have to use log. How? Let y is equal to x to the power sin x. Now taking natural log on both sides, we get log y is equal to log x to the power sin x, which is equal to ये पावर के कोएफिशिएंट हो जाएगा, that is we can write here as sin x into log x, which implies log y is equal to sin x into log x. Now जब पावर के कोएफिशिएंट हो जाएगा तो differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get derivative of log y is equal to derivative of sin x into log x, which implies log y का डेरिवेटिव है 1 by y into dy by dx. मैंने बोला था राइट साइड में एवरी टाइम यू हैव टू अप्लाई द प्रोडक्ट रूल. द फर्स्ट फंक्शन विल बी द पावर फंक्शन एंड द सेकेंड फंक्शन इज द लॉग ऑफ बेस. हियर द पावर वाज sin x, so first function is sin x, and second function the base was x, so the base is log x. Now we have to apply product formula. Product formula means second, that is log x into derivative of sin x plus first sin x into derivative of log x, which implies 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to log x into derivative sin x is cos x plus sin x into derivative log x is 1 by x, which implies dy by dx is equal to y को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे y into log x into cos x plus sin x by x. So putting the value of y, that means x to the power sin x, will get the answer. Now the question is to differentiate x plus 1 equal into x plus 2 to the power square into x plus 3 whole cube divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 whole square into x minus 3 whole cube. So this is the quotient of product of many functions, and this also can be differentiated using logarithm. So let y is equal to x plus 1 into x plus 2 whole square into x plus 3 whole cube by x minus 1 into x minus 2 whole square into x minus 3 whole cube. So taking log on both sides, we get log y is equal to log x plus 1 into x plus 2 whole square into square of a cube of x plus 3 by x minus 1 into square of x minus 2 into square of a cube of x minus 3, which is equal to, we have log x by y is log x minus log y. So this is log x plus 1 into square of x plus 2 into square of x plus 3 log x minus log y. That means this is log x minus 1 into square of x minus 2 into cube of x minus 3. So this is equal to log x into y, means log x plus log y, log x plus 1 plus this is log square of x plus 2 and plus log x, this is log cube of x plus 3 minus this is log x into y into z, log x plus log y plus log z. That means log, this is log x minus 1 plus log square of x minus 2 plus log cube of x minus 3. So this is log y is equal to log x plus 1 plus 2 into log x plus 2 plus 3 into log x plus 3 माइनस हो जाएगा सब, माइनस log x माइनस 1 माइनस 2 log x प्लस 2 माइनस 3 log x माइनस 3. ना जब पावर के कोएफिशिएंट हो जाएगा तो डिफरेंशिएटिंग both sides with respect to x we get derivative of log y is equal to derivative of log x plus 1 plus derivative of 2 log x plus 2 plus derivative of 3 log x plus 3 minus derivative of log x minus 1 minus derivative of 2 log x minus 2 minus derivative of 3 log x minus 3, which implies log y का डेरिवेटिव है 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to derivative log x plus 1 is 1 by x plus 1. According to chain rule, derivative of x plus 1 multiply करेंगे and is 1 plus here 2 is constant, derivative log x plus 2 is 1 by x plus 2 into x plus 2 का डेरिवेटिव 1 है plus here derivative 3 constant बाहर आ गया, derivative log x plus 3 is 1 by x plus 3 into derivative x plus 3 is 1 minus log x minus 1 का डेरिवेटिव है 1 by x minus 1 minus here 2 is constant and derivative log x minus 2 is 1 by x minus 2 into 1 minus here 3 constant बाहर आ गया, log x minus 3 is 1 by x minus 3 into 1, which implies dy by dx is equal to, ये y को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, y is equal to 1 by x plus 1 y into x 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 2 plus 3 by x plus 3 minus 1 by x minus 1 minus 2 by x minus 2 minus 3 by x minus 3. And now put the value of y and simplify to get the answer.